Hello guys and welcome back to J Brothers TV. So today we're going to be playing Slug It Out 2. So yeah, let's just get in to story mode. So today I'll be helping you with Slug It Out tips, which will nearly help you finish story mode fully. So yeah, let's just get right into it. We'll just play a normal battle. Oh, it was a boss. Yeah, fine, no problem. So yeah, let's do. So yeah, guys, every time when you get into a battle, always use from the start. Use these kinds of slug. Always go for the 1 star and never go for 2. Cause if you do one, you can rapid fire and kill the opponent like in 1 second. So now let's quickly finish this boss up and I'll get into the next step. Okay, yeah, for the first time in life it's so hard. Oh my gosh, it's too hard. Okay, his defense is more than I thought. Great. I'm dead. Okay, so yeah, guys, comment down below if you want more Slug It Out 2, and if you're and please like and share this video so that I can upload more of these videos for y'all, and hope you love it. So now that we're done with this, let's get into the next tip. Let's just quickly collect our rewards. And now if you all see this over here, it's level 42. I'm not gonna play that because the chances of me winning is like 0, literally 0. So yeah, I'm gonna be playing level 20 and I'll be showing you. Oh, you can't play that? Okay, so I'll be playing this level and going to be showing you that in boss battles, no matter how low your health is, you should never use your slugs at level 1. Make them level 3, make them do more damage, because most of their projectiles usually counter your slugs. And make sure that they're all megamorph because for level 42, yeah, those mind controlly things really will not do anything to you if you have megamorph slugs. But still, those things they can actually, if you fire a slug, then they like make the slugs against you. So if you all want to see that right now, I'll just show it to you really quickly what that thing's projectiles do. So over here, this is the boss. So I'll just quickly show. And if it's a megamorph and a level 3, it will actually nothing will win actually, cause actually, yes, I'm just gonna show you. I'll stop talking. And yeah, guys, if you're asking why I megamorph speech stinger, cause I just wanted to do something lame, not something so good or anything. Like speech stinger is bad, okay, but then not so many people use it. So as you saw, one of my slugs got countered over there. Countered, not counted. Yeah, that's what it does. So yeah, let's just quickly, yeah. So if you see that one of my slugs let it fire for once. Yeah, so as you see, for not megamorphed, it will actually not do anything. And this elemental is like a Megamorph, but I don't think so. The devs have till now put in Megamorphs for elemental, and if they do, the Megamorphs will be unstoppable of this of the elemental. So yeah, it's like you cannot win against it. As you see, my Infernus Slug has gone against me. So yeah, now that we're done with this tip, let's get into the next one. So let's come back to the hideout. Let's come out. Let's quickly claim the chest. Or should I say rewards? Yeah, so let's level up Bonda. Okay. So yeah, I just gave lame names to these guys. Fireboy. I actually didn't name him, so comment down below what you want me to name him and I'll name him. So, and I also have a new account which I can play in. Actually, 2 new accounts. So yeah, in that I have a air elemental, and in the other one, the best account, I have toxic gold one, which is a level 20 maxed and in the fusion wild. So let's get to the shop. So as you see over here, in the gold elemental account, you see this gold chest. Yeah, first it usually is in 68 or something. So then when you get most of the slugs, like over here I have a lot of slugs. So yeah, over here, right, I do have a lot of slugs. So then once I have a lot of slugs, it'll come down to 11% of chance, and the skins will go to 80. So yeah, that's not good actually, cause slugs are kind of the most important thing in this game. So skins are good. I mean, like Eli Stealth I have, that's good. That's a good skin. But then most of the time I usually be getting like these kinds of skins, 1 stars. Especially this, I got him in I think every account, and I'm never gonna use him. Let's use Eli Stealth actually. We don't want the skin for nothing. So yeah guys, for today, and yeah guys, also one more tip: do not level up slugs that you don't want to use, like this guy. If you see, I can level him up, but I don't want to. So like these guys I will never use. I level up these guys because I know they will be useful in the future, especially the water gold elemental. So yeah guys, for today this will be the episode. If you want more Slug It Out, please like, share and subscribe this video, and please turn notifications on. So for today this will be it. Bye.